Want to add all your lesson links in seconds? Watch this short video to learn how to upload CSV files into Jamf Teacher right from your iPad. Elkhart teachers start by opening Safari and going to the Helpdesk. Sign in with your ECS credentials. Then search for Jamf. Open the article called Jamf Apps/Links. Scroll to find the section you need, like Reveal Math. Tap Link to CSV to open the folder. Not an Elkhart teacher or have other links to add? You can also create your own CSV file of web links as long as it has the correct formatting and doesn't exceed 50 rows. In the Drive folder, tap the three dots next to the CSV link you need and select Download. When prompted, choose Save to Files, then tap Save. Open the Jamf Teacher app and navigate to Lessons. Tap the plus sign to create a new lesson template. Give your lesson a title, and if you'd like, add a short description. It'll show up under the title in your list of lessons. Tap the plus icon next to Allowed Websites and choose Upload Websites from CSV File. Select your downloaded file and tap Open. You can add another CSV file or manually type in any extra websites needed. Then tap Apply. And that's it. Upload once and your lesson is ready to go, so you can spend less time managing tech and more time teaching. Check out the other videos in our Jamf video series to learn how to have less tech stress and more teaching success. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.